Are you looking for the best 4K cameras? In this video we will look at some of the best 4K cameras on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Dragon Touch 4K Action Camera. The Dragon Touch 4K Action Camera is a versatile and powerful device designed to capture your thrilling experiences and adventures. With its impressive capabilities, this camera allows you to document moments in stunning detail and clarity, offering various video and photo resolutions to suit your preferences. Featuring professional-grade video recording, the Dragon Touch 4K Action Camera boasts 4K resolution at 30 frames per second, FPS, ensuring high-quality footage that vividly captures the essence of your activities. It also provides alternative options such as 2.7K/30 FPS and 1080p/60 FPS for flexibility in capturing dynamic motion. One of the standout features of this action camera is its zoom functionality, offering a zoom range from 1.0x to 4.0x. This feature enables you to get up close to your subjects, allowing for detailed shots even in fast-paced or distant scenarios. Number 2. GoPro Hero 7. The GoPro Hero 7 is a cutting-edge action camera designed to capture stunning footage in dynamic environments, delivering an exceptional filming experience for outdoor enthusiasts, adventurers, and content creators. Packed with innovative features, the Hero 7 stands out as a versatile and rugged device that enables users to record their experiences with impressive stability and clarity. One of the standout features of the Hero 7 is its hypersmooth stabilization technology. This groundbreaking advancement eliminates the need for a separate gimbal by effectively countering camera shake, resulting in remarkably smooth and steady footage. Whether you're engaging in high-speed activities or capturing fast-paced scenes, the Hero 7's hypersmooth stabilization ensures that your videos remain steady and professional-looking. Time warp is another exciting feature of the Hero 7, enabling users to create captivating time-lapse videos even while in motion. With the ability to stabilize these time-lapse sequences, users can enhance the visual appeal of their content by speeding up the action by up to 30 times. This feature transforms extended activities into shareable and engaging moments, ideal for capturing both personal adventures and creative projects. Number 3. Panasonic Lumix FZ80. The Panasonic Lumix FZ80 is a versatile point-and-shoot long-zoom camera designed to capture distant moments with ease. Equipped with an 18.1-megapixel MOS sensor and a powerful 60x zoom DC vario lens, ranging from 20mm to 1220mm, this camera ensures exceptional image quality and the ability to photograph subjects from far distances. The inclusion of Power OIS, optical image stabilizer, enhances stability and reduces blurriness, even when shooting at extreme zoom levels. The camera boasts a high-resolution 1,170K dot viewfinder and a rear touch-enabled 3-inch LCD display with 1040 dots. This combination allows for clear composition and review of images, even in bright sunlight. With 14 elements arranged in 12 groups, the lens configuration ensures optimal image clarity and detail. A standout feature of the Panasonic Lumix FZ80 is its 4K video capture capability. The camera records 4K QFHD video at a resolution of 3840x2160, and it offers 3 unique 4K Ultra HD video modes that allow users to pause and save individual high-resolution photos from 4K video footage filmed at 30 frames per second. This functionality enables photographers to capture split-second moments and extract high-quality images from video recordings. Number 4. Panasonic Lumix LX10. The Panasonic Lumix LX10 is a sophisticated point-and-shoot camera designed to deliver impressive image quality and versatile features within a compact form factor. Equipped with a large 1-inch 20.1-megapixel MOS sensor, the camera is capable of capturing stunningly detailed and vibrant photos. The integration of a high-quality 3x zoom Leica DC vario 2mm Ilix lens, 24 to 72mm, and Power OIS, optical image stabilizer, further enhances image clarity by reducing artifacts and improving color accuracy, even in challenging lighting conditions. One notable feature of the Lumix LX10 is its tilting selfie display, a 3-inch rear touch-enabled LCD display with 1040K dots. This display can be tilted upward by 180 degrees, making it ideal for capturing selfies and creative shots from different angles. The camera's user-friendly interface and tilting display make it easy for users to compose and capture their shots with precision. Number 5. MIRWHAPNG 4K Video Camera. The MIRWHAPNG 4K video camera is a versatile and advanced imaging device designed for capturing high-quality videos and images. Boasting a range of impressive features, this camera offers exceptional performance and creative possibilities for both amateur and professional videographers. At the heart of this camera is a 13-megapixel CMOS image sensor, capable of delivering stunning 4K Ultra HD video resolution. With a remarkable 48.0 megapixel image resolution, 7920*5940, the camera ensures your videos and photos are detailed, sharp, and true to life. The camera's 3.0-inch touch screen, which can rotate up to 270 degrees, provides convenient control and framing options, enhancing your shooting experience. One standout feature is the 16x digital zoom, allowing you to capture close-up shots with precision and clarity. This zoom capability extends your creative possibilities, enabling you to capture a wide range of perspectives and compositions. The camera also supports recording while charging, thanks to its 3.7V rechargeable 2 batteries. This ensures that you can keep filming uninterrupted, making it ideal for longer shooting sessions.